Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make tuna burgers. First, drain 2 cans of tuna thoroughly. Next, combine the tuna in a bowl with 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs and 1 egg, which acts as a binder. Add finely minced red onion and fresh parsley for flavor. Don't forget a touch of Dijon mustard and a squeeze of lemon juice to brighten the taste. Mix everything gently until just combined. Now, let's get those patties ready for the pan. Divide your tuna mixture into 4 equal portions. Gently form each portion into a patty, aiming for about 3/4 of an inch thick. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a non-stick skillet over medium heat. Carefully place the patties in the hot pan. Cook each side for 3 to 4 minutes, or until they are beautifully golden brown and heated through. With your patties cooked, it's time to assemble your masterpiece. Lightly toast your favorite burger buns for that perfect crunch. Gather your fresh toppings, such as crisp lettuce, ripe tomato slices, and tangy pickles. For an extra kick, mix a quick sauce using mayonnaise and a dash of your preferred hot sauce. Place a patty on the bottom bun, layer with your chosen toppings, and spread a generous amount of sauce on the top bun. Your homemade tuna burgers are now ready to be enjoyed. Serve them immediately with your favorite side dish. They pair wonderfully with sweet potato fries, a crisp green salad, or even some coleslaw. This recipe is a fantastic way to enjoy a quick, healthy, and incredibly flavorful meal. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Enjoy every delicious bite of your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.